Anyway, here's a video. Going to reassemble this Taurus cylinder. And I know a lot of people don't film putting them back together because they have a lot of trouble at times. And I'm having trouble keeping it in shot while it's looking around my camera. Okay. Driver 1 is back in place. Driver 2 just about to be back in place. And there we go. Driver 2's in. Driver 3. What I like to do is just put them in and then use the follower to clamp them from the back to stop them from springing out. If you can see it there, just use the end of the tool to push them down. Some people like using tweezers. I like these surgical tweezers. Makes life just that little bit easier for me. Push on the follower and push it down. Then that's the Bible repinned. Now I'll repin this core. 5, 4. Nearly made a mistake. 3, 2, then number 1, and then because it's not a skeletonized core, I can use this just to push it straight back in. Because my follower is a little bit small, I've got to put a little bit of angular pressure on it to get it to go back in. And there it is, core's back in. Then we can even turn it and lock it back up. Once it's locked back up, then it's just a very easy task to put this clip back on. This is one of the best things about these tweezers. It's closing these clips up nice and easy, just like that. Then it's done. And I dropped it, but now ready to be picked again. Okay, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.